welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to show you guys how to fix this kind of overactivated slime. Let's go. Before it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go guys. And you guys can see this slime is super overactivated. It can't be stretched, it can't be do anything. So I decided to make it as normal slime. For that you need a bit of water and a bit of toothpaste, any kind of toothpaste, because any kind of toothpaste can make fluff, and you need to mix it until it makes fluff, like soapy fluff to it. I just mix it to 5 minutes. Yeah, I mixed it for 5 minutes off camera, so you guys can see it need to be in this kind. So next you need to add the fluff into your slime. I just added this much, I didn't just measure it, and you guys needed to mix it until it mix it well. In this part guys, you need to take more fluff and just push it into it until it absorbs everything. The slime was super gross guys, like stringy kind of gross texture. I hate that texture, but you need to mix it well. You guys can see this was super duper gross. Ew, I really hated it, but when you mix it into it very well, it will make you a nice stretchy slime. And you guys can see I am mixing it into it. At this part the slime was super melting, so I decided to add a bit of activator and activate the slime a bit. Then the slime was activating. I really like this guys. Just add a bit by a bit guys. If you want the activator, don't add a lot and over activate it again and again. Need to keep kneading the slime until it just stops sticking to your hand. At this part I added a bit of color guys. If you want you can add it, it's your wish again. And I added color because the color of yellowish kind of thing I really don't like it, so I added purple color to it. The slime was super stretchy, super nice guys, and super duper stretchy. I really like it guys. Try this if you have a super duper activated slime in your home. Don't throw it in your rubbish bin. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.